It's Nat and Essie, plus Sprinkles the bear.
Whee! Ruff, 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 ruff. Hey Skye, you called me? Hey Chase, sure did. Come on, let's go up the headquarters. I want to show you something. Ruff, ruff, okay. Look over here, Chase. What do you see? I see a window. Right, a window. A boring window. There's absolutely nothing in there. You know what we could use? Something to decorate the window, maybe? Yeah, I'm thinking we can make Paw Patrol Pups sun catchers. And then we can hang it on this window and it's gonna be more fun. Yeah, maybe Essie can help us. Essie, did you say sun catchers? Oh, I have those. Let's start with Chase. We're going to need a paintbrush and our window paints. I opened the blue paint because we are going to start with his hat. All we have to do is dip our paintbrush in the paint. We're going to paint inside the grooves of our sun catcher. Then let's get the brown. We're going to use that for his logo. We need a little bit more blue here. And then yellow in this groove. Now for his ears, we need the brown paint. And let's not forget his eyes. White here, whoa. Oh no, no, no. I put white inside the eyes, but no worries. We can definitely fix that. We just dab a little bit of towel there. This part of his nose is also color white. Now the rest of his face is this light brown color, but we don't have light brown. So I'm thinking maybe we can start off with white and then we'll add a little bit of brown. Oh, I hope this works. There we go. Hey, that actually did work. And last but not least, we need a little bit of pink in his ears. There we go. Yay! Chase is done. On to Skye. Ooh, it's me. Let's get to it. We'll start off with her eyes. And we are going to use the pink paint for that. And then her goggles. And then we have a really light purple. And that's what we are going to use for this part of the goggles. Next, we need our brown for the hair. And for the rest of her face. Now let's get that white and mix this part up a little bit. We're gonna do the same on this part of her face. Almost done. We just need a little bit more white for here and here. And of course her teeth. Then we need a little bit of purple here and here. And red for the tongue. And here it is. Here is Skye. Roof, 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 roof. Can I have one too? Roof, me 3. Roof, me 4. I got you guys. Let's go ahead and start with Marshall. For Marshall, we need lots of red for his hat. And also his tongue. Then we need pink for the inside of his ear. Green for his eye. Purple for the inside of his mouth. And everything else is white. His face. The outer part of his eyes. His teeth. And finally his ears. And done! We got Marshall! That was actually the easiest one to paint so far. We forgot the tip of Marshall's nose. Much better. Time for rubble on the double. As you can guess, we're gonna need lots of yellow. For rubble, you guys already know the drill, so let's go ahead and make this fast. And voila! We are done with rubble on the double. And finally, we have our Everest. Woof! Save the best for last. That's me. Everest is actually one of my favorite pups, so I guess she is right when she said that I saved the best for last. You know the drill. Let's make this quick. Done! Here are all our Paw Patrol sun catchers. Roof, they look awesome! But wait, how do we hang them to the windows? Roof, good question. We are going to need a string. I have it here. And suction cups. Roof, our fire station has a lot of it. I have them all here. Roof, perfect! Let's string them and hang them up. So we're gonna get our string, insert it in the hole there. Make a knot, put it on the hook of the suction cup, and we're ready to hang it. Here is Chase, here is Rubble, Skye, Marshall, and Everest. Oh, these turned out really great. Roof! Mission accomplished.